Hello, and welcome back to The Beautiful Home. Today, we're exploring how to style your home in the timeless and iconic Ralph Lauren style. Known as one of the most renowned American lifestyle brands, Ralph Lauren Decor is all about creating spaces that are classic, warm, and inviting. In this video, I'll share tips and tricks to bring this sophisticated style into your own home. Let's start with the foundation of Ralph Lauren style, natural materials. Think rich wood and elegant marble. These elements add a touch of luxury and warmth to your home. A wooden coffee table or a marble countertop can serve as a stunning centerpiece that exudes classic elegance. Ralph Lauren interior style is all about warmth and richness, reflected in the choice of materials used throughout the decor. Heavy marble, thick tweed, and dark wood are staples of this aesthetic, each contributing to a sense of classic elegance and timeless appeal. The combination of these luxurious materials creates an inviting atmosphere that is both sophisticated and enduring, embodying the essence of Ralph Lauren's iconic design philosophy. Color plays a crucial role in achieving the Ralph Lauren look. The quintessential American palette of red, white, and blue is a staple. Incorporate these colors through prints like stripes and checks. A striped throw or checkered curtains can instantly bring that classic Ralph Lauren charm to your space, creating a cohesive and stylish look. Another distinctive feature of Ralph Lauren decor is the incorporation of polo details. This style draws inspiration from the equestrian world, adding a sense of sport and adventure. Consider adding a painting of a horse, displaying polo boots, or even hanging a polo stick on the wall. These elements add character and tell a story about your personal style. When it comes to furniture, quality is paramount. Invest in antique pieces and well-crafted items that stand the test of time. A sturdy wooden dining table, elegant chairs, and fine tableware can transform your dining area into a sophisticated and inviting space. Perfect for entertaining guests and enjoying meals with loved ones. In the bedroom, focus on comfort and elegance. Choose plush bed linens and classic upholstery to create a sanctuary where you can unwind and relax. The right fabrics and textures not only enhance the aesthetic, but also add to the overall comfort of your space. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Ralph Lauren style. By incorporating natural materials, a classic color palette, and unique polo details, you can transform your home into a warm and inviting haven. Don't forget to invest in quality pieces that reflect your personal style and stand the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to The Beautiful Home for more interior design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy decorating.